So, okay, hey, this Alpha Load MuRiDA Special Light Lamp Warrior Stone Jabishio. We're opening up enemy. Okay, look at this, Uncle. Check it out.
Okay, yeah. Go ahead and open it. Yeah, my hands are up.
I got some new crystal friends, everybody. This year. Oh, look at this, Uncle. Look at this. This is special. Look at this. This is crazy. Look at this.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. It's nice. Yeah, I'll look them out. We'll lay them out later. Just keep opening it.
Open another one. Oh, wow. Look at this. This is a pink.
Ooh, those are pretty.
Wow, this is special. Look at this, you guys. Oh, wow, I can do some magic with that one. These are my cold creators, everyone. Which I'm gonna I have to. Oh wow, look at this, Uncle.
Mm-hmm.
No, touch it.
Yeah, I know.
Look at that special. Look at this, you guys. Oh, somebody said that they didn't get a good look.
Yeah, what?
Okay, that's it, Uncle. That's
okay,
good. Thank
I gotta
you.
get to the directly before 12.
Thank you, Uncle. Uncle, thank you. Oh, he took off. Oh, look at this, you guys. This is the amethyst. Look at this. Oh, look at my free gift. Oh, look, I get 2 free gifts. I got 3 free gifts. Look at this. A little Jasper. Look at that kyanite. Let's open up this. See what it is. Oh wow, this is special. Look at this, you guys. Look at this. What is this? I don't know what it is. Look at it. Look at it. It's crazy looking. Okay, let's see what our see what our letter says. And you guys know this one. And then I got this one the other day. It says, "Congrats on making even more crystal friends. They have never. They have been cleared and charged with the twisted singing bowls and should be ready to go. I heard you like crystal gifts, so I'm including a blade of blue kyanite, like I always do, and a leopard, slim jasper tumble, and a very special celestial quartz cluster from Brazil. I hope these all prove to be valuable tools for your more towards the new earth. I again thank you for all your support, and it really means a lot to me. And thank you. Love and light to you, Drew." This is cool. And then he wrote me, "Oh, look at this. This is special. Look at it. It's crazy. Remember, we're ending our video at 7-7 to honor the Pleiadians. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is epic. This is truly epic. I can work some magic with these. Let me see what I can do with this. Ami Eeshah, Ami Ehtah, Ami Ehmah, Ami Eeshah, Ami Ehmah, Ami Ehtah. Um, Massive tower of special light and love, healing, strength, and empowerment. Oh wow, these are really. This is a good point. By the way, if you guys are wondering how I picked out these crystals, I was told to pick out these crystals. Like everything I do is guided. Then I'll do another video where I connect to the crystals. I just can't right now because when I say connect to the crystals, we're gonna be having long conversations. Oh, these are special. Just have one more look. Look at this. This is special. Look at this. Look at this one. This one's a special one. This is that's from the old pile. Termlife and Jasper. Okay, you guys have a blessed day. I'm gonna be working magic for you folks. I'm gonna be working magic, for you folks. So just be on the lookout. We're gonna do some blessings.